Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 且. Step by step, I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. 且 且 and 并且 moreover to be about to for example 且慢 to wait a moment 且慢且慢 to wait a moment to wait a moment. Now check this sentence. Wait a moment. Let me give you a demonstration. 且慢，我先示范一下。Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Let me give you a demonstration. 且慢，我先示范一下。且慢，我先示范 demo 一下。示范一下。Wait a moment. Let me give you a demonstration. 且慢，我先示范一下。且 in cursive. 且 and moreover to be about to 且慢 to wait a moment. Wait a moment, let me give you a demonstration. 且慢，我先示范一下。且 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 且. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.